It's decided. You are buying a new Daikin product. But how can you be sure that the investment pays off in the long run? The answer to that question is service. As the leader in its field, Daikin not only provides high-quality air conditioners and heating systems, they also provide the best support for a long-lasting device. Daikin has a wide service network with highly trained and professional technicians, service partners that are certified by Daikin. These skilled service technicians undergo trainings by Daikin on a regular basis to guarantee the highest level of expertise and support. Planned and regular maintenance indeed has its advantages. For example, 1. It ensures long-term operation, reducing the risk of breakdowns, especially with extensive use. 2. Regular maintenance facilitates peak performance, making the device more efficient and thus lowering the costs. 3. Regular air filter cleaning provides clean and pure air. 4. Our certified partners use genuine Daikin spare parts, which reduces the risk of failures or interruptions and additionally ensures that you keep your warranty. 5. If you look at it from the long-term perspective, regular service is much more affordable than sudden, critical, and expensive interventions. If you only use your air conditioner occasionally or just in high seasons, it's even more important to have proper maintenance. Professional service assures maximum comfort and peak performance. So what are you waiting for? Visit Stand By Me, our platform for long-term care and support, to find out more on how you can get the most out of your Daikin device. www.daikin-ce.com/standbyme.